Welcome back to Grammar Grade 12. I'm really glad you're here. This is Unit 8, Lesson 59, and today we look at a small group of modifiers that refuse to follow the rules. You already know how comparison usually works. You add ER and EST, or you put more and most in front. But a handful of very common words don't do either. They change shape completely. Good becomes better. Bad becomes worse, and there's no way to reason your way to those forms. You simply have to know them. The good news is that there aren't many, and by the end of this lesson, they'll feel automatic. Let's dig in. Here's the whole idea in one picture. For almost every modifier, comparison is mechanical. Short words add ER and EST. Longer words take more and most. Tall, taller, tallest. Careful, more careful, most careful. Easy. But a few of the most common words in English are completely irregular. Good doesn't become gooder, it becomes better. Bad doesn't become badder, it becomes worse. Far becomes farther. There's no pattern hiding underneath. These forms come from older roots. So the skill today isn't building a form, it's remembering one. Let me put the whole set on a single board. Here's the whole irregular set laid out on one board. There are 3 columns, the positive form on the left, then the comparative in the middle, and finally the superlative on the right. Let's walk down them. Good becomes better, and then best. Bad becomes worse, then worst. Little, when it means an amount, becomes less, then least. Much and many both become more, then most. And far becomes farther, then farthest. Notice what's missing here. No ER, no EST, no more or most tacked on the front. These forms are simply irregular, so you memorize them and move on. A few of these deserve a closer look. Good and well both climb to better and best. Good is the adjective, well is the adverb, but they share the very same comparative and superlative. She sang well at the audition, better still at the rehearsal, and best of all on opening night. In the same way, bad and badly both climb to worse and worst. My cough is bad, his is worse, and hers is the worst in the whole office. So whether you're describing a thing with an adjective or an action with an adverb, the irregular forms don't change. That's one less thing to worry about. Now the one word that splits into 2 paths, far. When you mean real physical distance, miles you could actually measure, you use farther and farthest. Detroit is farther from here than Toledo. That was the farthest we hiked all summer. But when you mean figurative distance, a matter of degree, extent, or something additional, you use further and furthest. Nothing could be further from the truth. Let's discuss this further. Here's a memory trick. Farther holds the word far inside it, and far is about distance. So farther for miles, further for everything else. 2 more worth pinning down, because they're easy to mix up. Little, when it refers to an amount you can't count, how much of something there is, becomes less than least. There's little milk in the fridge, even less than yesterday, the least I've seen all week. Now, much and many both jump to more than most. The difference between them is only what they attach to. Much covers amounts you measure, like water or patience, while many covers things you count, like chairs or votes. But that difference doesn't touch the forms. Either way, both rise to more and then most. We need more time and more chairs. Finally, two traps. Because these forms are irregular, the regular-looking versions simply don't exist. There is no gooder or goodest, no baddest, and definitely no worserer. If your ear reaches for one of those, stop and grab the real form. Better, best, worse, worst. And here's the sneakiest mistake of all, the double comparison. Never pair more with a word that's already comparative. It isn't more better, and it isn't most best. Just better, just best. The word better already does the comparing all by itself. One comparison at a time, and never double up. Let's boil all of that into a quick check you can run in a second. 1. Is the modifier one of the irregular few? Good, well, bad, badly, little, much, many, or far? If it is, don't build the form, just recall it. 2. Is the word far? Then decide your meaning. Real distance takes farther. Figurative degree takes further. And 3. Guard against the double comparison. Never add more to a word that's already comparative, like better or worse. Run those 3 checks and you'll never write gooder or more better again. Let's practice. In this first set, I'll give you a sentence with 2 choices. Pick the form that's actually correct. Think about those irregular words and the forms that don't really exist. Pause the video and choose before I reveal each answer. The soup tastes blank tonight than it did yesterday. Gooder or better? There's no such word as gooder. Good is irregular. Its comparative is better. So the soup tastes better tonight than it did yesterday. That was the blank storm of the decade. Worst or baddest? Baddest isn't standard English. Bad becomes worse, and then worst. For the superlative, we want worst. That was the worst storm of the decade. We had blank rain this spring than we expected. Less or littler? Rain is an amount you can't count, and little in that sense becomes less, not littler. So we had less rain this spring than we expected. Now the second set. These sentences test farther versus further, and they hide a double comparison too. Decide what each one really means before you choose. Pause and answer before I reveal each one. The gas station is a mile blank down the road. Farther or further? A mile is real measurable distance, so we reach for farther. The gas station is a mile farther down the road. Let's not take this argument any blank. Farther or further? This is figurative distance, a matter of degree rather than miles, so the right word is further. Let's not take this argument any further. Her second draft is blank than her first. More better or better? Better is already comparative, so putting more in front of it doubles the comparison. Drop the more. Her second draft is better than her first. Let's gather what we've learned. First, a small group of modifiers is irregular. Good and well both go to better and best, while bad and badly both go to worse and worst. Second, little becomes less and least. Much and many become more and most. And far splits 2 ways. Farther and farthest for real distance, further and furthest for figurative degree. And third, you can't reach these forms with er, est, more, or most. You recall them, and you never double a comparison like more better. Get comfortable with this short list and it becomes automatic. Next time, in Lesson 60, Modifiers, Double and Incomplete Comparisons, we'll look at what goes wrong when a comparison says too much or too little. I'll see you there.